Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Moment Star. So today we are going to see the juicing quality and how to operate the machine Hestia cold press juicer. The juicer machine product link is below in the description box. You can have a look and you can order from Amazon. You can take your choice of fruits like what you love. You can make fruit juice, vegetable juice, whatever you like, and the juice quality, I can say you, it is really awesome. So here I am taking carrot and orange. So because of this cold press method, you will not get that bitterness from the orange when we grind it or blend it. After no making, you may feel that no kind of a bitterness, but in this the juice quality, you can say it is awesome and the wastage will be zero. Okay, you can see the waste, how dry it is coming out. Okay, you will be not able to use it for your carrot halwa or anything, like I have seen, like many of people after juicing, like they use that carrot granules for cooking, but in this definitely not, like you cannot use it because it is completely removing the juice. You can see I have used only 2 carrot and 2 orange, and see how much juice we have got. Okay, that means it is taking out the complete juice from the fruit and vegetable. Now you can see the juice quality, literally it is awesome and I'm loving it. So guys, stay tuned. I'm making and working on the complete review and product working function, lot of different juices. Okay, it takes time. So your comment will definitely help me working better on the video. So let me know guys your interest, what you would like to see in the video. I will definitely make sure that I'm working on that. Okay, so stay tuned for the video. Hope you have enjoyed this video and let me know what all you love in this video.